Knock, 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 sleepyheads. Open your eyes. Running cities are back. Today I'm going to show you one of the most luxurious parts of Arlanda, Buckhead. I'm preparing and getting ready my stuff for 5K run today through Buckhead, one of the most luxurious and recognizable parts of Arlanda. Today we started Buckhead Village District, one of the most polished areas of Arlanda. Luxury shopping, restaurants, skyscrapers in Buckhead Village. Even sidewalks look luxury. Let's go.
Buckhead Village District is known for walkable streets, luxury shopping, restaurants, and a modern live-work-play style in the heart of Buckhead. Buckhead is often seen as one of Arlanda's most affluent and high-profile neighborhoods, blending upscale retail, hotels, nightlife, mansions, and historic homes. Buckhead shows Arlanda in a different mood, elegant, fast, polished, and ambitious.
Press like, subscribe my channel, lace up, and follow me. Oh, by the way guys, I hid for you 5 sneakers icons on the screen, and someone who writes correct time codes in the comments will receive greetings in the next video and running cities t-shirt from me. Lift up your fingers and write in the comments correct time codes. Good luck. Let's go. Guys, in Buckhead, luxury, history, and city energy live in one neighborhood. If you like night shining, nightclubs, welcome to Buckhead. I filmed for you amazing night Buckhead, and I'm going to show you right now. Enjoy.
When Buckhead changes from day to night, the neighborhood takes on a different rhythm. The streets glow, the towers shine, and everything feels a little more cinematic. At night, Buckhead is polished, bright, and full of movement. Luxury storefronts, traffic lights, restaurant terraces, and the sound of the city all come together in one atmosphere. This is one of Arlanda's most stylish faces, modern, energetic, and confident. In the daylight, Buckhead looks elegant. At night, it looks alive.
Guys, the Arlanda History Center. This is 33-acre area dedicated to the Arlanda's history and Georgia as well. This is the best contrast. From one side, stylish glass towers, modern streets, and from other side, Southern history. Let's run. Guys, there inside is one of the best known landmarks, historical landmarks of Arlanda, Swan House. But it's too early and it's closed, and unfortunately I can't get in to film for you, but my drone can. So let's ask to Drone, can you film for us Swan House, please? He says yes. So nothing is impossible for my journey.
One of Buckhead's most famous landmarks is the Swan House, designed by Philip Trumwell Schutz in 1928 for Edward and Emily Inman. It's listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Buckhead can look brand new, but places like Swan House remind you how much history still lives here. This house looks like it charges admission just to impress you.
So guys, I have a challenge for you. One more challenge. You must, as always, guess in which city will be another episode, the next episode of Running Cities. And I can give you some hints. The first hint is that city is located in one of the neighbor states of state Georgia. And the second hint will be that city is the main city in that state, and it's known with its country music. Write in the comments, and first 3 correct answers will receive t-shirts from Running Cities. Good luck.
Back toward the center of the neighborhood, Buckhead feels like motion and image together: business, shopping, traffic, architecture, and the rhythm of a city that likes to look sharp.
Smile. So friends, I want to remind you that if you have a wish to run with me, write in the comments in which city you are in the United States, and I will come to your city and we'll run together. Let's do it. Write in the comments.
Buckhead is one of Orlando's best-known upscale districts, combining shopping, dining, nightlife, and historic homes. The Orlando History Center's Buckhead campus spans 33 acres and preserves major parts of Orlando and Georgia history. Swan House was completed in 1928 and remains one of Buckhead's most iconic historic homes. Buckhead Village District is a walkable, multi-block luxury destination in the center of the neighborhood. That is the short review of luxurious district of Orlando, Buckhead.
So guys, do you want me to show you some kind of magic? We are in the center of Buckhead, usual parking lot, and I will try to show you now the magic. So we are at parking lot. Let's see what's going to happen. Going down to parking lot. My drone wants to rest. Okay, we must. So we entered the second floor of parking lot. Here we enter stairs of parking lot, going all the way down Stairs. We have here an exit from parking lot, and I want to see on this magic. Do you see? We exit directly into the forest. Look what a beauty, amazing beauty. I'll show you now the back. We're in real forest. Just we exit the parking lot, and voila, silence, birds singing, beauty, nice. Let's run further. Look what a beauty, guys. Just amazing views. Do you see squirrels? Look at them. A lot of squirrels in Atlanta. You can see them almost on every street. By the way, guys, write in the comments, please. In which shoes do you prefer to run or jog? Doesn't matter. I have my own favorite shoes, Hoka, and it's interesting for me to know your opinion, your experience. Don't be shy. Write in the comments. We have some kind of incline here, and it's a little bit harsh to run. Need some breath. So we are getting close to 0.5 kilometers through Buckhead, and as close as we get, running becomes harder. Okay, let's run. Oh, friends, look at these houses. So modern, so stylish, luxury, wealthy. You can feel here. Very beautiful. Just look at it. So guys, we are almost at finish line. This is famous path 400, a green breath in the heart of Buckhead. Here is path 400, and many of runners like me use this path during the day to have a just green breath. So guys, I think we're at finish line. I will show you now our odometer. Let's look at it together.
And then the mood changes again. Path 400 brings greenery and breathing room into the middle of Buckhead. It's a linear park and trail that gives the neighborhood a more open, moving, runner-friendly side. This is the side of Buckhead that doesn't pose for the camera, it moves. Even Buckhead needs a place to pretend it's relaxed.
So, guys, today we have more than 5 kilometers, 5 and almost 7 kilometers. It's enough for today. So friends, I tried to show you Buckhead district of Atlanta, one of the most famous districts of Atlanta. If you liked it, press like, subscribe my channel. As usual, I invite you to run with me to the next episode. So try to guess which will be next episode, in which city will be next episode, and write in the comments and you will get Running Cities t-shirts. So I invite you to run to the next episode, race up and follow me.